Target, though, is bucking today's broader sell-off. Safe haven Target shares surging after posting an earnings beat before the bell, along with pretty optimistic growth guidance. Let's bring in CFRA analyst Arun Sundaram. He has a buy rating, a $288 price target on the stock. Target's been on this great run, Arun. So what did we learn today that sort of supercharged the move in the stock?
Yeah, thanks, Sarah. I think what we learned today is that some of these retailers can continue to grow on top of the really strong growth that they've generated over the past 2 years. I think there was this narrative more recently on Wall Street that a lot of these larger retailers can't sustain the growth that they experienced over the past 2 years, but that doesn't seem to be the case for Target, as well as a lot of other diversified big box retailers, including Walmart and Costco. These retailers have been, the top line has been moving really strong, and that's resulting in a tremendous amount of, operating leverage, and in turn, they're able to grow the bottom line as well, and also invest in their business in areas like wages and prices, all the things that you've been hearing about. So the big takeaway today was that retailers can continue to grow the bottom line in 2022.
Yeah, I mean, obviously, very reassuring longer-term outlook from Target, but I wonder what you think it means in terms of where the stock can head from here, because it had really given back a tremendous amount of the multi-year gains, even with this huge bounce today. We're kind of where we were in late January. So how much further upside might there be for Target?
Yeah, so we upped our target price this morning from 260 to 288. It's about that trade. That's assuming it trades around 19 times our forward earnings estimate. That's still relatively cheap compared to some other big box retailers out there. Like Walmart, for example, trades around 21, 22 times forward earnings. Costco is around 37 to 40 times forward earnings. So Target is relatively cheap compared to some of these other big box retailers, and yet they're like I said, they're growing their bottom line by high single digits, which is really attractive. And I think that's one way for investors to re-rate the stock a little bit higher.